Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix sorry there was a problem with your request problem in Instagram. So first method is open Play Store and search for Instagram, and if you see any update here then you will need to install the update, and after that check the problem is fixed or not. And the second method is we need to uninstall Instagram, and after that we need to reinstall Instagram app. So for that, tap on settings and scroll down, tap on app management. From here tap on Instagram and tap on storage usage, tap on clear cache, also tap on clear data, and after clearing your data tap on uninstall. And after uninstalling Instagram, go to Play Store and search your Instagram, and you will need to install Instagram from here. And after doing these steps, go and check the problem is fixed or not. And the last method is open your browser and tap on the search box and type here instagram.com. You have to log in into your Instagram account here, and after that tap on your profile icon to the bottom right corner, tap on edit profile, scroll down and tap on temporarily deactivate my account. Don't worry, you will be able to reactivate your account anytime you want, and select a reason why you are deactivating your account. And to continue, re-enter your account password here and tap on temporarily deactivate account, and after that you can re-log into your Instagram account after a few hours. And that's how we can solve this problem. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.